In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order iPhone on 1688 app 2025, step by step. We'll walk through the full process from search to payment to inspection so you can buy confidently and avoid the usual pitfalls. Start by opening the 1688 app and logging into your account. Before you browse, make sure your Alipay is linked and ready. This is essential because payments on 1688 run through Alipay escrow, which protects you by holding funds until you confirm receipt. When you search, use Chinese keywords only. Type phrases like Ping Guo Shou Ji, iPhone Yuan Zhuang, iPhone Ershow for used, iPhone Fanxin for refurbished, iPhone Chaiji for dismantled, and iPhone Wusuo for factory unlocked. This brings up the most relevant results. If you're not a Chinese speaker, the app's built-in translation or your phone's translation features can help. Skip any listing that doesn't clearly state the phone's condition. Choose a trusted supplier by checking store age of 3 years or more, the Shili Shangjia verified seller badge, high sales volume, a repeat buyer rate of around 20% or higher, and reviews that include real photos. Be cautious with brand new stores, unusually low prices, or claims like 100% new original, which often signal risk. Open the product page and read every detail carefully. Confirm the exact condition, storage size, iOS version, battery health percentage, iCloud status, factory unlock status, and the region version, such as HK, US, or JP. If any of these details are missing, message the seller first. Before buying, chat the supplier and paste these checks. Shufu Wu Suo, is it factory unlocked? Shufu Wu iCloud, is iCloud removed? 电池健康多少? Battery health. 是否支持海外使用? Works overseas. 是否支持延货退款? Inspection refund. Only proceed when answers are clear and consistent with the listing. When you're ready, select the correct model and variant, choose your quantity, and tap Liji Go My, which means buy now. At checkout, select Alipay escrow and complete the payment. Your money stays with Alipay until you confirm everything is okay. Since most sellers don't ship internationally, ship to your China warehouse address and wait for delivery confirmation there. Do not confirm receipt in the app yet. Have the warehouse inspect the iPhone on video or in person. Power it on, check for any iCloud lock, verify the IMEI, confirm storage and model, test Face ID or Touch ID, and review battery health.